You know how getting cabinet doors to line up perfectly can feel like some kind of impossible magic trick? Well, I promise you, it's not magic. It's a skill. And today, we're going to let you in on the professional secrets to getting that flawless, high-end finish you see in magazines every single time. Ever look at a perfect, seamless wall of cabinets and just wonder, how do they do that? Well, the secret isn't some super complicated technique. It's actually all about some really smart engineering. It all comes down to this one little component, the modern three-way adjustable hinge. Seriously, if you can master this, you've totally mastered that professional finish. All right, so let's break it down. There are 3 key adjustments you need to know. And this is a pro tip coming straight from our friends over at Lakeside Cabinets and Woodworking. And believe me, these guys live and breathe this stuff. So let's get into the nitty-gritty. Okay, first up, the side-to-side adjustment. This is probably the one you're going to use the most. This is all about controlling that gap between your doors, making sure they're perfectly parallel with a nice, even space all the way down. And you know what? The fix is super simple. See this front screw? That's your hero right there. Turn it one way, the door moves left. Turn it the other, it moves right. Just a few tiny tweaks on the top and bottom hinges, and that is all it takes to get that perfect, consistent gap. Easy, right? All right, number 2 is the in and out adjustment. You could also call it the depth adjustment. This is what makes sure the face of your cabinet door is perfectly flush with the frame, so it's not sticking out or kind of sinking in. For this one, you're going to look for the rear screw. That's your depth control. A little turn pushes the door out or pulls it back in. The goal here is to be able to stand back, look at your cabinets, and see one single, beautiful, flat surface. Nothing sticking out, nothing sunken in, just perfect. And last but definitely not least, we've got the up and down adjustment. This one is absolutely crucial for lining up the tops and bottoms of your doors so you get that clean, unbroken line running all the way across. Now this one works a little differently. Instead of just turning one screw, you're going to slightly loosen these 2 screws right here. See them? That just gives you a little bit of wiggle room to physically nudge the door up or down. Once you've got it perfectly level with the door next to it, just tighten those screws back up and boom, you're done. Simple as that. Okay, so there you have it, the 3 key adjustments. Now let's just do a super quick recap, kind of like a cheat sheet, so you can go tackle this with total confidence and get that perfect finish. Seriously, it's that straightforward. Step 1, adjust side to side to get those nice, even gaps. Step 2, adjust in and out so everything's flush. And step 3, adjust up and down so all your doors are perfectly level. You follow those 3 steps in that order, and I guarantee you're going to get a professional-looking result. And really, that's what it all comes down to, isn't it? You know, the team at Lakeside Cabinets has this great saying, craftsmanship is in the details. And a perfectly aligned door, that is the finishing touch. It's that kind of precision that really separates the good stuff from the truly great stuff. So there you go. Now you've got the pro's secret to perfect cabinet doors. It really is mastering these little details that creates that lasting quality you see in real craftsmanship, like the work from Lakeside Cabinets and Woodworking. So go on, give it a try yourself. I think you're going to be pretty amazed at the incredible results you can get.